The reason being is I got married. After getting married, I heard from my wife saying that I snore quite a bit at night. I saw the sleep doctor and he told me that not only I snore, there is a grinding habit as well. He gave me one of the options, which was the best way for me to actually resolve that, which was using the appliance. The consultation and treatment process was great because the staff and Dr. Lee, they were not only nice but very professional as well throughout the process. I went in first time to get a little explanation of what this appliance does. And right after that, it was scanning of my teeth to make sure that the appliance would be customized to my own mouth. The whole process was holistic. It was great, and I would definitely recommend other people to do it as well. After this appliance, it's been quite a bit of life-changing for my wife. She was able to sleep throughout the night without waking up because of my snoring. For me, of course, it's been good because the appliance helped me breathe better, that I was able to sleep better, and I know that I'm not grinding my teeth anymore, so my tooth health is also going to be long-lasting because of this as well. I would definitely recommend this. This appliance has been a very good investment. For people who snore or grind their teeth, this is something that I definitely recommend. And make sure that you see a sleep doctor first. And if you're able to do this option of treatment, then this would be a life-changing for you. So go ahead and do it.